Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a pair of active noise cancelling headphones from Mixcder. These are the E9s. They feature around 30 hours of playtime. They have a very comfortable looking design, and they're also only around $70 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. They come in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. All right, we'll slide this out. Looks like a very large protective case. Nice little Mixcder logo right here. So this case is very soft, but it's also very protective. I think this would be great in a backpack or luggage or something like that. It's going to protect the headphones and anything else you have in here. Looks like there's nothing else in the box, so we'll go ahead and open this up. Real quick, on the back of the case there's a little handle. Nice smooth zipper. Open that up. Get a really cool view of the headphones. Alright, so we have this little bag. Let's see what's in this bag. Looks like we have some marketing material, warranty information, a user's manual, a micro USB to standard USB charging cable, male-to-male auxiliary cable for plugging these in. So that's one of the benefits of these headphones. They're not exclusively Bluetooth. You can always plug them in if you need to. And then we have an airplane adapter, which I think is great because noise-canceling headphones are extremely useful when on a flight. They really block out the wind noise and also just airplane noise as well, so it makes it much more enjoyable for me. Go ahead and remove the headphones from the case here. Take a closer look. I love the really reflective look on the outside of the headphones right there. Very cool looking. It does have a cool kind of texture to it. You can hear that. Then we do have a Mixcder logo on each side here, looks like. And as you can see, the headphones do bend down so that they can sit flat, which is really nice for packing. If you weren't going to use this case, you could easily slide these into your backpack or suitcase, something like that. So they are pretty flexible. They do feel durable. You also have a really nice suspension system on the earmuffs right here that allow them to fit the curve of your head, and they can be extended on both sides. Oh, that's cool. They have little measurements in there, which is really nice, so that you can fit larger heads or different types of hair types or even hats. I've never actually seen headphones that include a measurement right here. Pretty cool. The earmuffs are very, very cushioned, and they are large enough to fit over your ear, so you won't have any pressure applied to your earlobe and then pain from that after long distances of wearing them. On the headband up here, we do have lots of cushioning. It's very soft leather as well. The plastic on these headphones is very light, but it doesn't really feel that cheap. It feels pretty sturdy. The first thing I noticed about these headphones is they look very large. As you can see, they stick out like almost 2 inches from your head. So I'm interested to see how these will fit on my head and how they'll look. So let's take a closer look at the right earmuff. Looks like we have the power button right here. Then we have a little hole for our microphone, LED indicator for charging. We have the micro USB charging port. Then we have a plus and minus button. So these can be used for track control, volume control, different things like that. Moving over to the left earmuff right here, we have the auxiliary port. This is for the 3.5mm cable right here. And then we have the on and off switch for the active noise canceling. So as you can see, you get a little blue light that indicates that it is on, which is good because you'll know if you leave them on, because this will drain your battery if you leave that on. So now we're taking a closer look at the Mixcder E9 noise canceling headphones. I'm going to get them turned on and paired with my phone. So I'm just going to turn them on by holding down the power button until we see the light come on. Then I'm going to continue to hold it on until they blink red and blue. Alright, so they're blinking red and blue. They're in pairing mode. Come up on my phone is Mixcder E9. And we're connected. As you can see, they came with 80% battery life. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the Mixcder E9 active noise cancelling headphones. And I have to say, overall, they're very comfortable on my head. Cushions on the earmuffs do a good job of making it very soft on your head, and they have a very tight fit. So I think these would be great for working out, anything active where you're moving. They're not going to fall off your head because they are very tight. All the audio that you're currently hearing is coming through the microphone on the earmuff here, so you can actually get an idea of what the microphone will sound like if you plan on placing calls with these headphones or even using them on your computer with Discord or gaming, something like that. So that was a quick test of the microphone on the Mixcder E9s. Overall, it was a pretty good microphone. I think you could have a good conversation on the phone with these, but I don't think the microphone is high quality enough to be used in a game or when you're streaming. And let's talk about the audio quality with the E9s. Overall, very, very enjoyable listening experience. The headphones get very loud and they're extremely powerful. The bass is good. You can actually feel it in your head sometimes when it gets a little loud, but overall, the bass was not overpowering. There was no distortion or anything like that, and it was enjoyable to listen to. Highs were also very enjoyable and clear, no tinniness at all. The active noise canceling with these does work, and I do think it's important to point out exactly what active noise canceling means. Active noise canceling does not block out all background noise. It's only going to block out noises that are kind of like static. That's why I like it on a plane, because it really blocks out the wind noise, things like that. But if you're trying to study with these or block out all background noise and just have a quiet atmosphere, these will not be able to do that. Active noise canceling cannot block out noises that are next to you, like video games, playing an instrument, things like that. It just doesn't have that kind of a capability, which which is normal for something like this. So I would say the active noise canceling worked exactly how I expected it to. One thing that I found interesting, the audio actually sounds better when the active noise canceling on, so that's just something to remember if you do get these. When it comes to sound linkage, where you can hear the music outside of the headphones, so people around you can hear what you're listening to, that is a problem with these. Anything over 50% volume, people around you are going to be able to hear the music, and anything louder than that, they're going to actually be able to make out what you're listening to. I could actually understand the lyrics in songs when I got to around 60% volume. The Mixcder E9's active noise canceling headphones are very comfortable though. As you can see, the earmuffs are extremely large and they do fit over your ear, so no pain there even after wearing it for a long time. And I also like how they really grip your head, so they feel very secure. Like I said in the mic test, you could definitely work out with these. You could run, jump rope, do any kind of lifting in the gym. You're not going to have any issues with these falling off or even moving on your head. They're very tight, and that's probably a good thing. The tighter they are on your head, the better the noise canceling will be. If you have any questions about the Mixcder E9 active noise canceling headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you currently have these headphones, leave your experience in the comments so that it might help other people with their buying decisions. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so I can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.